Hey everyone, it's Isa and I'm back at it again with a brand new video. Okay, I know I'm inconsistent, I get it, I know, okay? I'm sorry, but I mean, it feels really good to be in front of a camera right now. Right now I was like, oh, I have to film. But like right now that I'm in front of the camera, I'm super excited. And today we are going to be following a Bob Ross tutorial in case you haven't seen the title. I'm super excited. My shirt, it's, yeah, I'm gonna paint. I already kind of started watching it so I can know what I'm gonna be dealing with. So we're gonna put that right here. I'm gonna do this right here. Oh shoot. Now you can see me. Okay, perfect. Oh, by the way, I don't have a lot of these colors, so we're gonna deal with that. And oh shoot. Okay, let me just warn you guys. Okay, I paint often, right? But I don't really do oil painting that often. I've done it once and I kind of sucked. But yeah, we'll see how this goes.
What I've got planned for today. Today, as you can plainly see, I have a canvas here that's painted with a black gesso. I've allowed it to dry completely, and then on top of that, I've put a thin, even coat of liquid clear. And we put the clear on there only because it makes putting transparent color on top of this much, much easier. You really don't have to have it, but it makes your life so much easier. Then on top of the clear, I've put a mixture of sap green, phthalo blue, and a little Van Dyke brown to dull it down.
Okay. So I don't have midnight black. I have flat black, and I know I've heard those two are really different, but we'll see how that goes. But first, I'm gonna start with the greens that he was talking about. But it's fine. It's fine. Okay. Then we're gonna get the spatula. They call this a knife, but I call it a spatula because it looks like a spatula. It feels like a spatula. It is a spatula. So we got the green, the blue, and I'm gonna take some burnt. Oh, I got some red. Burnt sienna. Sorry, my hand's shaking. It's because I had coffee. We're gonna mix that. Here's some paintbrush ASMR. I'm failing, okay? I'm failing. I know it sucks, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. I'm totally fine. It's not that bad. It's okay. It's fine.
He's in the background back here. In my mind, I see a tree. It's right there. Just pull straight down. Applying more pressure.
Oh my god, my hand's
That'll give you a
shaking.
nice trunk. That easy.
Not bad. Yeah, okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. So that is how my tree is going. It's going. It's going.
Right back here. And I want this bush to be in front of this tree. Show you how to push that little rascal right back in the woods. This bush, or collection of bushes, and the bushes lives right there. I can. Maybe there's another old bush that lives right here. Just sort of let your imagination go. Wherever. You might even have a friend here.
Okay. Yay. Okay. Okay. I kind of gotta hang it a bit. But first, I'm gonna wash my hands, and then we're gonna start again because yeah, my hands are kind of messed up. So yeah. But that's what we got so far. I think it's not that bad, but I still need to do some stuff. So yeah, and this is really close up to my face. I'm like, but yes, I'm so excited, and I'm gonna charge my camera really quick because I'm almost dying. And yeah, yeah, I'll be back. Okay, bye. No. It's fine. It's fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're not failing at all. Okay, it's fine. Fine. Okay. Then we're gonna get our spatula. It's called a knife. I'm pretty sure it's called a knife. I think it's called a knife, but I call it a spatula. Okay.
So simple.
And then we're gonna take some lap, and then we're gonna roll. Oh, I feel like I need more white. Hold on.
Very strongly. There we go.
Ah!
That'll give.
Okay. Okay. Apparently we're taking a spatula now. Okay, we're gonna get some of this. Oh, you can't see. Sorry. Okay. We're gonna take some of the green. Mix some with the white. We're gonna put it here. And blue. And then we're just gonna make a pathway.
Indication of a little path. I'm going to leave that here in the distance. And with that, I think we're going to call this old painting finished. Once again, I really hope you've enjoyed this series. The next one's already under production. I look forward to seeing you then. On behalf of the entire staff, happy painting. God bless, my friend.
Yeah, mine looks nothing like that. But it's fine, it's fine. Okay, so he added another tree right here, I think. And then I'm just gonna wing it at this point. Yeah. So he added a tree. Okay. He added a tree. And then I think he called it berry, I'm not sure. Then we're gonna go right here. Okay, I'm done. I am done. I am not adding any more paint. I'm not doing anything else. I am just done with this thing. So, I can't even hold the freaking tripod because my hand is like really dirty. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna leave this to you guys to decide. Comment down below if you think this is a pass or fail. Yeah. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up because I obviously can't. And make sure to subscribe right here if you already haven't, or somewhere around the screen. Yeah, I'll be coming back with another video, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Woo. Shoot. Okay, bye. Ale, can you turn the camera off for me, please? Can you turn the camera off for me, please? Can you turn the camera off for me because my hands have paint all over them? Por favor. Yeah, there.